if you have a coupon code you want to redeem on Temu, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it. So from the website here, you just want to go to your orders and accounts section up here. And on orders and sections, you want to go to coupons and offers. Now, if you have your own coupon code here, you can apply it here. And then just click on apply to enter in your coupon code. You can also use all of the other coupons that Temu already have for you. So for example, here, there's about $5 off on all items. You can click on this to use it, just like that. Click on use, and there you go. You can see now our coupon is applied right there, right? Now, anything that we buy here will have a $5 off coupon on top of it. So for example, if I want to buy a drone, it'll have $5 off. If I want to buy slippers, it'll have $5 off. If you want to buy a watch, it'll be $5 off. A lot. The more you scroll, the more items you'll find. Of course, the coupon that Temu uses isn't the only one. You can find coupons outside of Temu. You can find it on the internet. You can find it on other videos as well. There's a lot. Temu is one of those sites which has a lot of coupons to make sure that you can save more money with it as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.